death penalty referendum is next Tuesday and will have major implications on a couple of high-profile murderers in Omaha. Case in point, convicted killer Nikko Jenkins. Senior reporter Jake Wazakowski is live to explain why his lawyer believes he is not eligible for capital punishment. Jake.
Craig, today attorneys argue that the constitutionality of the death penalty situation isn't actually fair to Nikko Jenkins and why Jenkins wants to go straight to that three-judge panel hearing.
Convicted spree killer Nikko Jenkins is back in Douglas County less than 2 weeks before his death penalty hearing. 2 years ago, he pled no contest to killing Jorge Ruiz, Juan Pena, Curtis Bradford, and Andrea Kruger in the summer of 2013. Public Defender Tom Riley argued that the unicameral's repeal of the death penalty took effect on August 30th, 2015. So there was no death penalty until the petition signatures were verified on October 16th. Since Jenkins hasn't been sentenced to death, Riley argued during that time period he was only eligible for life in prison, and the punishment can't be increased.
I think there's the reading of the Constitution talks about the suspension of that, the process if there's the signatures are certified. So I think we'll still be moving forward as anticipated.
Jenkins told the judge he wanted a hearing for what he claims is his wrongful conviction, making mention of it as he left court.
Love you too. Get them internal affairs investigated.
But he also waived his right to have a death penalty jury so he can have the hearing and get into general population after sentencing because he's currently in isolation at the Lincoln Correctional Center.
I mean, they have serious security concerns about an individual who's killed 4 people and has threatened many people. And so I'm sure they're trying to do their job as best they can under the circumstances.
Judge Peter Battalion will take the motions under advisement. The judge also said he doesn't feel obligated to make a decision on the motions before the November 8th election, where voters will either keep or get rid of capital punishment in Nebraska. Reporting live in the News Center, Jake Wazakowski, KMTV Action 3 News.
Omaha police have